Hi guys, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw baby Pegasus from Hercules. So let's get started. To draw baby Pegasus, we're going to first start by drawing the top of his head, where his mane is. So right here, I'm just going to draw a curve for the beginning of his mane. So about that much. And then I'm going to go up, so pretending that, imagining that I am going to be drawing his mane, so I'm going to flare it up just a little bit, and this side as well. So the reason I'm doing it this way is because I don't want to erase it because I'm using a Sharpie. If you're using a pencil, you would just draw the shape of the Pegasus head first. But because I'm using a Sharpie, I'm just going to go in here and draw this part first, and then I'm going to come out. So basically now I'm going to start to draw his head. So I'm going to come down on both sides. Okay, so then from there I'm just going to start to bring it down. So this is kind of like the dumpling shape I give to all my characters, but it's going to be longer because it is a horse. So I'm going to bring it down more. And then now I'm going to start to draw the cheek area. So I'm going to widen it out a little bit. And about right there, I'm going to start to bring it in. So I'm going to find my center about right here. I'm just going to come down. And then in the center area, I'm just going to dip it a little bit more. Just a tiny bit, dip it and come back up. Very slight. If you're not comfortable doing that, you can just go ahead and continue the curve. Okay, so from there, I'm going to bring this little baby Pegasus to life. So I'm going to start towards the bottom right here where his snout is. So about, let's see, right here towards the bottom, I'm just going to go ahead and draw a curve. So very close to the bottom. And then right here, I'm going to curve it out. And same thing on this side. So it's nice and centered. Right there. And then towards the bottom, I'm going to draw the bottom part. So I'm just going to draw a little curve right underneath. And then I'm going to imagine the snout continuing. And then so about right here, I'm just going to draw a little curve right in the center very lightly. So I don't want to just draw this solid because it would be too harsh. So I'm just going to kind of taper it off as I go. And then from there, I'm going to come in this area and draw the nostril. So I'm just going to darken in two little ovals. There. Okay, so now in this area right here above, I'm going to draw a circle for the eye. So towards the fattest part right here, towards the edge, I'm just going to draw a circle. So same thing on this side, so towards the edge. Okay, this one's a little bit high. Okay, there. So now let's make them draw so cute eyes. I'm going to come in here with two highlights, so two small circles. And a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. And the lines at the bottom. So same thing on this side. Okay, so I have the eyes in. I'm going to come to the edge right here and just flick out a little curve. Just for the lashes, just a tiny little bit. Okay, so there, and then from there I'm going to come up right over the eye and draw the brow. So I'm just going to draw a curve right over the eye, so it's pretty high up, and connect it. So I'm just going to make it thicker. So let's do the same thing on the other side, about right here. So same thing, right over the eye towards the edge, and thicken it. And then from there, I'm just going to lightly bring a line down, very lightly, just flick it down, like that. So there, so basically have the face in now. Now let's go back up and finish the top. So the you're going to come in here and draw the mane. So I'm going to draw it going up right here. About that much, and then I'm going to go ahead and connect it. So it's going to be connected at a curve, but with some zigzags inside. So here and there, you can just add a little dip in, and then come in. So the reason I didn't draw this part first was because I wanted to get the head in so I would know how high to bring this mane in. Because if I drew this part first, it might be too big and then the face might be too small. So there. Now let's draw his ears. So I'm going to come over here in this area, right there, and I'm just going to curve it out. And so I'm not going to pass the mane. I'm just going to soften the curve and bring it down. And let's come in here for some details. So this part's going to be thicker, and then this part's going to be thinner. So let's do the same thing on the other side. I'm just going to drag a point across. Whoops. About right there. And then, so once again, curve up. And I'm just going to drag another point so I know it's about this right height. So coming up here, soften it up and bring it down to back to your point. And so then once again for the inside, so there, got that part in now. So let's draw his cute little body. So it's going to be nicely centered. So I'm going to come about right here under his nostril, his snout area, and just give myself two curves. And then from there, I'm just going to bring it down, curve it down. And so then about right there in the center, I'm just going to draw a curve. And then from there, I'm going to keep bringing it down. So in this area, I'm going to flare it out. So this is going to be the beginning of his legs. And then right here, flare it out. So bring it down a little bit more. And I'm just going to connect it with a curve. So this is going to be his hoof. Right there. And connect. So same thing on this side. Curve. And connect. So then for the back legs right here, I'm just going to come about right here, chest, and about right here, I'm just going to draw a curve down. And then I'm going to draw another curve, so a little bit smaller, and curve it in. So slightly at an angle, and in this area I'm just going to draw another curve. So same thing over here, curve it out. So then once again where the hoof is, and bring it in with a slight curve. And another curve right there. And then in this area right here, just go ahead and connect it. And then of course, to make him Pegasus, you gotta give him wings, right? So right here, I'm gonna start to draw the wing. I'm gonna come out and bring it in. So we're just going to draw 3 of them, 1, 2, and another one back in. So you can come in here for some details. So same thing on this side. So I'm going to bring it out. So it's going to be close to his face right here. And so it's about, don't pass this line right here. So about right here, I'm going to start to bring it in. And about right here, I'm going to go on this side first, so I know that I don't go too low and then connect it. There. Okay, so now the details. So that's pretty much it for this baby Pegasus from Hercules. Hope you guys love how it turned out, and if you do, please give me a thumbs up and share it, and remember to subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.